Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we have a really fun project. So here I have a crown mold and I also have a blank figurine of Rarity from My Little Pony. So today we're going to paint Rarity and then make her a crystal crown out of resin for her to stand on. As always, when working with resin, make sure to use proper safety equipment, including gloves. I use nitrile gloves, a well-ventilated room, and have a respirator. For the stand, we're going to use the crown mold, glitter, and some purple and clear crystals. Here, we're going to mix our epoxy resin. We're going to mix about 25 grams of each for a total of 50 grams. After mixing it well, we're going to add our glitter. And then pour the mixture into the mold. We only want to fill it up about halfway. Next, we're going to take our purple and clear crystals and we're going to pour it into the mold. We'll use a popsicle stick to push the beads all the way down to the tips of the crown. We want to make sure that the beads reach all the way down each peak. For the next layer, we're going to pour some grayish silver crystal beads. Here, we're going to top it off with more resin and then wait a day for the resin to cure. Alright, so here it is. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's nice and shiny too. I really like this. I can really see the still gems inside. So right now, Rarity here actually would fall inside. So what we need to do is actually raise it so that Rarity is up near the top. We're going to add more beads. And just add some color. On the very top, we're going to add some colored crystals. And finally, we're going to mix a bit more resin. About 20 grams should do it. And we're going to pour it over the new layer of crystals. Now we're ready to paint Rarity. So we're going to paint Rarity her normal colors. So that means we're going to paint her body entirely white. Once her body is done, we're going to paint her mane and tail purple. And to add some shimmer to it, I'm going to add a little bit of metallic purple paint. Next, we're going to use the included water slide decal for her eyes. To use it, all we have to do is wet it until the decal slides off, and then we just slide it onto her face. I'm going to make sure to do this on the other eye too. For her cutie mark, we're also going to use the water slide decal. Since we have two, let's put both on her. Next, we're going to use blue paint and paint her eyeshadow. And then on top, we'll paint her eyelashes and line it in black. And Rarity is done. Here she is. Doesn't she look great? Once the resin has cured, we can take our little stand and attach Rarity to it. To attach Rarity, we're going to add some craft glue to her feet and then attach her to the crown. Alright everyone, and we are done! So here is Rarity. She is standing inside her crown and she is just surrounded by all these crystals. I think she looks fantastic. And if you know Rarity from My Little Pony, you know that she loves to be glamorous. And what better than to be inside a crystal crown? So this was a really fun project. In fact, I painted two other ponies. I have Rainbow Dash here in a little trinket dish. And I also painted Twilight Sparkle with color changing paint. So if you have not seen these videos, make sure to check them out. I've added the links down below. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye!